Well, welcome everyone to the Two Guys PodCraft. We are here to share with you our recipes for Christmas leftovers. Um, I know Keith likes to cook and I like to cook, but this has nothing to do with cooking. Um, we're going to show you some things that have to do with what is known as the Believe bundle. So officially it is the Air Exclusive Simple Stories Simple Vintage Believe bundle. I think I got it. And it's a special collection available from your local air store. And then there each store that participates does a project in a private Facebook group. So if you buy one of these bundles, you can get access to that. We'll show you the projects we made. And then we have all these leftovers from making our bundles. So we were going to show you what we could do with some of the leftovers. And I can actually share, I know we're watching the projects. So we have a project that we want to do that we saw some one of the stores do. And so we did our project. We're going to do their project. And I still have the stuff left over to do the leftovers you're going to see today, and still a whole bunch of other stuff because Lori's still planning on doing an album. We might buy another 12 by 12 pack to do the album, but otherwise we're in pretty good shape. So, so I
So,
guess,
Wade,
yes,
how many of the other stores were putting forward projects for this air
there
bundle?
are over, there's 56 stores, I believe, is what the number is. So there's over 56 projects available in the private Facebook group. Every store did one, and I know there's a bunch of bonus projects that I've been seeing getting posted as well. So
So, if you don't like what Wade or I show you, then you have the opportunity to look at the other 54.
that sounds about right. Oh, perfect. Okay,
All right.
so I was bad. I forgot our project. It's at the store. So I'm going to show you a picture of what I did, and we'll show that out and go from there. Let's press this button here so I can see what I'm doing. And you should now see on your screen, I believe, the Believe 2025 12 Days of Christmas album. And so the whole idea was they had these number bits, and I was trying to figure out what to do with them. It's like, oh, the 12 Days of Christmas. So I threw the cover on there, and then here is a couple pictures of the inside. This is the inside cover, and you can see there's day one of 12 Days of Christmas. Here is day four, and I made some special pages and popped them open. There's day seven. We got a bunch of pockets, and you can do a tag, all that good stuff out of the bundle. There's day 11 with the cute little deer and all that kind of stuff. So that gives you an idea of some of the kind of things that's inside the 12 Days of Christmas bundle. So that is that piece. And where's my button to go back to you? Here we go. And do you have, I think you have yours in person to show, don't you?
I do have the one we did in person. I should actually it was my wife who did all the gift bundle here. So the one my wife made is one which is ideal for little gift cards and such. So I'm just going to open up and show everybody what's in it.
That is so
Some
stinking
pages
cute.
to write journal notes and so little pockets here to hide gift cards or little notes and so forth. She used a little bit of everything for this. It actually has the ability to put a whole nother 2 pages in and, and a note page at the back. So it's a nice little small bundle, and that's it.
Stinking cute. Stinking
Unfortunately, with
cute.
me, when she did that, she didn't use a lot of the papers that came with the kit, so I kind of only had like a little bit of stuff left over. And if you're okay with this, Wayne, I'm going to jump right into my cards.
Okay. And Lori
All right,
buzzed me and
so
said to turn our volume up. So I'm going to give you a little more. And you started echoing, but I don't know why.
I know. I don't know why either. We're having a fun day with the mics and speakers. So when she was finished with her little journal, I had all of this for leftover plus a little bit more. And to really go the leftover theme, I didn't get into any of the other um, pages and so forth that she didn't even touch. I went just for what she did. And from those scraps, I was able to create two cards. This is the first one, which is Santa and the Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree is the caption I put on the card.
Your camera's, oh,
I'm going to bring it a little closer.
your camera was just a little out
Apologies.
of
One of the
focus.
other elements
I
that
don't know.
came from the element pack. So that was the first one. And the second one, It's a Wonderful Life.
I love them. They're so cute.
So just quickly went through those scraps and used different techniques, splattered, added ribbons, and those are the two cards.
Cool. Yeah, you're a
Focusing
little out
now.
of focus. Can you pull your move your camera a little bit, see if it adjusts.
There you go. Try again.
Move your camera a little bit, see if it adjusts. It's it's having a hard time.
I think it's all the background light is blending in a little bit.
Okay. We'll get some pictures posted in the thread maybe. Out in the or out in the
Yes.
page. Okay. And so Keith did two cards, so I had to outdo him. I had to do three. Oh, and here you go. This is an idea of the leftovers that we got left. So I had lots of 12 by 12 pages. I got some of the ephemera pieces. Didn't use any of the page pieces, so you can do some layouts. The binder inserts are fantastic. There's a binder somewhere in the house. And I had some more numbers left over. So that just gives you an idea. There's a ton of stuff here. I can make things for days. So I did three cards. Like I said, I cheated. I did two, and then I decided to do another one that was really simple. So this guy was really cute. This used one of the journal cards and one of the sentiments off of a 12 by 12, and it's just a little step pop-up card. And I just used one of the tags inside for the sentiment. And so there he is, and he stands up, so you can show him off. And it's real simple to do. All you do is take a piece of white or cardstock. It can be any color, whatever you're doing for your project. But it's about 2 3/8 by 2 1/4 high. And you just score it every half inch and then fold that up to make that little corner in the pocket. I stuck this in here, but cover your pages. So like this red, and this poinsettia back here. Put those on before you stick that in there, and then just finish it. And off you go. Card two, I'm a Santa fan. Can you tell? There's something common here. This guy, it was really fun. Uh, our focus element is here, and it just pops open. So you can take a standard card base and you trim off, I think it's an inch or so, and you can score it there so that this piece in the back has that fold to it, and then this piece pops open. But you can do this with anything. You could do this with Easter and a bunny on here and all that kind of stuff. So there you go. And then I wanted to do one that was just pretty straightforward paper out of the pack. Oh, I didn't realize I didn't finish it. I didn't stick it together. Oh well. And that's just one of the journal cards again. I inked around the edges a little bit. I used all the ephemera and made a cluster, stuck that on the front of that, and off we went. So that is how to use up your leftovers from the Belief bundle. What do you think, buddy?
Yeah, this we only did a small sample of what you could do. Um, you got three, I've got two, five completely different cards, and I'm sure we could have made cards for days.
Yep, yep, very much so. So that is all we have for today. Do you have anything else, Keith?
No, I think we're good. We'll get to see them again in a week.
So yes, I think that is this button. And oh, let me move this over. And yes, we're going to be back next Monday again at 4 o'clock. And we're going to be using Simple Stories again, but this time the classic Christmas, oh, Say Cheese classic Christmas mouse by Simple Stories. And we got some fun cards. I am a huge fan of a mouse. Um, and so I had a blast doing these. So there we go. I was just there. When did we go? We were down Wednesday last week. So I was there 4 or 5 days ago. It's great living here. We're going down in
What did you
another
do there? Did
2 weeks.
you go to Halloween?
Halloween? No, we went over to Epcot, and I had not seen the new Harmonious, I believe is what it's called, the new nighttime show at Epcot. So we got
Oh,
in
okay.
there and saw that one, and we're gonna head to Magic Kingdom next because there's a new parade. See some fun. So there you go. Okay. Anything else, buddy?
Nope, we're good.
Okay. We're gonna sign off, everyone. Have a great day. Catch you later. Bye.
Thanks for watching.